Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my lovely students. How are you? Nice to be with you again. Today, let's revise family members. Okay? Family members. Here, the first thing, what's this? Great. Family. 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 Great job. Excellent. Take care. I, eh, eh, family, family, family. Okay, here, who is that? Yeah, great job. Father, 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 dad, 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 the, th, the fa the father, 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 dad, dad. Great, excellent. Here, who is that? Excellent, great job. Mother, 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 mom, mom, mom. The the th the mother, 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 mom, mom. Okay, here, who is that? Great job. Sister, 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 sister. T, t, letter T, 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 sister, t, not the, th, the, but here, t, t, sister, sister. Okay, here, who is that? Yeah, great job. Brother, 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 th, the, brother, brother, the, brother, brother. Okay, th, the, don't forget. Here, yeah, great grandma, 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 or grandmother, grandmother, the grandmother, grandmother, grandma, grandmother, grandma, grandmother. Excellent. Okay, who is that? Excellent, great. Grandpa, 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 grandmother, grandfather, sorry, grandfather, the grandfather, the grandfather, grandfather. Excellent, great job. Okay, who are they? They are twins, 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 توأم, twins, twins. Great, excellent, great job. Okay, now tell me, what's the difference between t and th? Letter T and th. Letter T, pronounce it as t, 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 like t, t, table, t, t, tree, t, t, tongue, triangle. But we can pronounce it as T at the end of the word, like cat, mat, hat, fat. Okay, so we pronounce T as T, T. Okay, but TH pronounce it as, yeah, the, like father, 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 the father, like mother, the mother, 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 and like what? Yeah, brother, brother, brother. And grandfather, grandfather. The grandmother, grandmother. And we pronounce th as the at the first of the word, like this, the, this, and the, that, these, those. Now, open your book, activity book, page 19. Open your activity book at page 19. Okay? Exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Here, listen and repeat. Which words have these sounds? Listen and write the or ta. I'll pronounce the word. Then you will tell me the missing letter or letters. Okay? أنا هنطق لك الكلمة وحضرتك هتقول لي الحرف الناقص يا ترى T or TH. Okay, number 1 here, mother, mother, the TH. Okay, number 2, cat, cat, T or TH? Excellent, great. Letter T, cat. Number 3, father, father, father. What are the missing letters? Yeah, excellent. TH. Great job. The, father, the. Number 4, brother, brother. Yeah, excellent. Nice. Great. The, TH. Excellent. Number 5, grandfather, grandfather. Yeah. T? No. TH. Excellent. Great job. Number 6. Here. Sister. 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 What is the missing letter? Yeah. Excellent. T. Great job. Excellent. Thanks. Number 7. Grandmother. 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 What are the missing letters? No, it's not T, but yeah, TH. Great job. Mumtaz. Excellent. TH. Excellent. Okay, now we have finished our session today. Thanks a lot and goodbye.